All right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. All right. We are live. Kindly let us know where you are watching this from. If you are watching from YouTube or Twitter, kindly just let us know where you are watching from right now. All right. All right. Thank you, Daniel. Daniel says he's watching from YouTube. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. All right. So, welcome to today's master class, which we titled the No Gree Elevator Master Class. All right, thank you, David. Right, and today's section is going to be very powerful, right? So, I want us to do a very small exercise today. I want us to please kindly share whatever link you are using to watch from, right? If you are watching from YouTube, you are watching from Twitter, please share it with your friends and family. Put it on your WhatsApp status, tweet about it. If you're watching from Twitter, please retweet the live stream. Retweet the live stream. All right. Thank you, Olamide. So glad to have you here. So, guys, once again, welcome. Please, share. Let's have more people. Let's have more people join so that we can kickstart. Right? Let's have more people join. So, in the next 2 minutes, we should start this powerful session. We should start this powerful session. Amazing. All right, please let us know where you're watching from. If you're watching from Twitter, please put it on the comment section. If you're watching from YouTube, please let us know. All right, amazing stuff. So, in the next 2 minutes, we're going to officially start this powerful section, right? So, please don't get distracted. You can get a bottle of water or a cup of water near you so that you can, drink some water as we are moving along with this session. All right, just a minute more, then we'll start. We'll kickstart. Thank you, Faith. You're watching from YouTube. Awesome, amazing, awesome stuff. So, guys, once again, we want to say welcome to this powerful session, the No Gree Elevator Masterclass. We are going to learn, we are going to discover the latest cutting edge tech skills that will help you elevate your current skills, your career, and your income in this 2024. All right, this is a very powerful session, and you do not want to miss it for anything. All right, so the first on our list, all right. So let's look at the agendas we have today. What we are going to be discussing, right? So number one, the first one we have on our list, number one is we're going to do a little bit of introduction and get to know more about us. Then two, we are going to look at how I started my own tech journey, how I started my journey in tech. Then we will move to the problems most people are currently facing, right, when it comes to getting on board with the latest tech trends and all of that good stuff. Then we'll look at what are the new trends. Then we'll look at how to leverage these new trends in 2024, right? How to leverage these new trends in 2024. Then we're going to discover the latest skills that goes with this trend, right? Then we're not going to look at how you can elevate your career with this trend. Then, last but not least, we have a special package which is the next actionable steps that you can take to partake in this ongoing trend right now. All right, so this is what we have on our list today. Let's move on. All right, so if you're just joining us, once again, we say big welcome, a super welcome to the No Gree Elevator Masterclass, and we are super, super, super excited to have you here. All right, so now a little bit background about us. Let me just say one or two things about us. Now, Softvenix is a creative digital agency and academy, right? We're a creative digital agency and academy, and our major mission is to empower both businesses and individuals, right, with expert guidance and tech solutions that will help you succeed in this fast digital world. That is what we are. That's who we are, right? So we are an agency and also an academy. We are an agency where we provide expert solutions and resources to help businesses succeed in this fast digital world, and also an academy where we train and equip you with high income tech skills that are in demand and future inclined that will help you thrive in this digital age. All right. So let me now go and share a little bit story. Let me just share a story about my tech journey. All right. So in the let's say in the last 6 to 7 years, that was before, right, before I went for service. I just graduated, and I graduated from I think I read computer networking. I graduated from computer networking, and I was very, you know, really intrigued with what was trending back then. I think what was trending back then was cloud computing, right? Cloud computing was the hot cake then. Before Google Cloud Computing even came about, there was Amazon Web Services, there was Microsoft Azure, and it was actually Microsoft Azure that got me overhyped. So what did I do? Because when I went online, that was like 7 years. I could not afford it. So what did I do? I went to these normal, tech institutions around my environment, right? I went to a reputable tech institution back then, and I asked them, please, I want to learn this and this. I want to learn cloud computing, Microsoft Azure to be specific. But guess what? They did not have that particular, you know, they did not have that particular course or that particular training, and that they now told me that, okay, oh, this is what they have. They didn't have Azure. They have Java programming for me to come and learn. At that particular period, I was really, really, disappointed because of the fact that, man, come on, I could not get what I was really excited to get at that particular period. And this was one of the things that was really hot back then, and has not even entered the Nigerian market, right? It has not entered the Nigerian market, and I wanted to establish myself as an authority before this thing becomes very, very popular. Yes, I've connected back to my own. How is it showing there? How is it showing? All right, sorry. We apologize for we apologize for the tech technical issues that just happened. So let me just continue with what I was saying. So as I was saying, as I was sharing my story, when I went to those particular institutions, they did not have that particular skill training I wanted to embark on. And I was very, very sad because I wanted to establish myself as an authority before this particular trend saturates. You understand? And they know how to now sell me something else, which was Java, and that is a long story. So now, because of that particular interest I have, in getting latest trends, finding something that is trendy before it becomes saturated. That is one of the reasons why we created this amazing organization, right? So that we can help individuals as yourself to know what is about to start trending before it hits mainstream. You understand? So I'm very passionate about helping individuals and businesses achieve their goals through expert guidance and solutions, right? And I use my expertise as a digital expert with over 5 years experience in product and info marketing, right? And I've helped companies generate over $250,000 in revenue, right? So let's move on. All right. So, what are the problems most people are currently facing when it comes to, you know, technology? When it comes to tech trends, number one, the very first problem that most people face is they fail to jump on early trends in tech. Right? They don't see trends. They don't see tech trends as tools to leverage on to get what they want. Right? They don't see coming trends as something they can jump in and leverage on. Right. Number two, they lack the relevant and updated tech skills to attract high demand value. All right. The first problem is that they fail to jump in early trends. Now, second problem is that they lack these relevant skills, right? They lack relevant skills that will enable them to even jump on these tech trends. And the third problem is that they lack the opportunities to learn these updated relevant skills for them to be able to, partake in whatever trend that is out there. All right. So, and because of this particular problem, I know because of this problem has made it too difficult for many people to grow income wise, career wise, and also to grow their current situation. All right. And the negative impact of not solving this problem, number one, you're going to miss out on lucrative opportunities and income streams when it comes to tech trends. Number two, you're losing market value, you're losing market share and the competitive edge to more tech savvy rivals, right? To more people that are tech inclined, right? Number three, you're becoming obsolete, right? If you don't jump on, if you're not updated, if you're not skill up, if you don't have the updated skills, if you're not jumping, you're not leveraging on the latest tech trends, you're becoming obsolete and irrelevant, right? In this fast changing world. And number four, you're going to have this feeling of being stuck and unhappy because once you're not part of what is trending, you're not eating from that national cake of that comes with tech trends, you become unhappy and you become stuck at that particular or that your current situation. All right. So, but don't worry, since you are part of today's program, since you're part of today's program, there's 95% chance you don't want all these programs and consequences, right? All those negative impacts to happen to you. All right, so let's look at what trends are. Now, trends simply means they are like a general direction, right? A general direction or pattern of change or development in a particular field of industry. So, how do you identify trends? How do you identify trend? Now, the best and simplest way to identify trend is number one, finding patterns that are repetitive on any major platform. Let's look at social media, for example. Now, if you are probably scrolling through probably on Instagram or TikTok and you start, seeing some particular content, using the same sound over and over again. At that particular period, you like, you'll be like, this particular soundtrack is trending, right? This particular soundtrack is trending. And how do you identify all of these kind of trends when it comes to tech trends? By using tools like Google Trends, Meta Trends, and also, search engine journals, right? You're using tools like Google Trends, Meta Trends, and search engine journals. So, but let's look at a better question. How do you identify trends before it starts trending? How do you identify something before it starts trending? And for me, the best way to do this is to look at industry giants, right? Is to look at industry giants and look at what they are doing. For example, look at what Microsoft is doing. What is Mark Zuckerberg doing? What is Elon Musk doing? Why did Elon Musk, why did he start his Neuralink product? Why did Mark Zuckerberg change Facebook to Meta? Why did Microsoft, purchase Activision with $59 billion? Why did Microsoft jump in on why did Microsoft buy shares with OpenAI's ChatGPT? All right. So all of these things you have to look at why are these big industry, why are they making these particular decisions? What are they seeing that we normal individuals are not looking at? And the best way to predict the future is actually to create it. And this is what these big industries are doing. So they are actually creating the future by predicting what people are going to, jump in on. And mind you, what Meta, what Google, what those big dogs are actually doing right now, what they're actually playing with right now is actually massive. So why are trends so important for everyone? Right? Why are trends so important for everyone? Now, the first one is for every trends are so important, especially tech trends, because most people are actually looking for opportunities to earn something, right? Tech provides opportunities and challenges for innovation, creativity, and problem solving, right? Now, tech trends are also important in the aspect of they enable learning, growth, and improvement of skills and knowledge. Now, they also indicate the current and future needs and preferences of customers, markets, and society, right? And finally, world. All right, so what are the latest tech trends? What are the latest tech trends? No, now we have five on our canvas right now. Now, number one is artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and virtual reality, no code, and we have blockchain. We also have, web as a whole. So let's look at artificial intelligence. Now, this is one of the most popular tech trend that is actually ongoing right now. And this particular tech trend started, I think, last 2 years, ending last 2 years, when ChatGPT became a thing, and within 5 days, over a million people, they had over a million visitors on their website. So ChatGPT became a very major hit, and everybody, started playing around with artificial intelligence, starting from ChatGPT. Then, Google came into the picture with um, Bard, which is now Gemini. Then Microsoft also came into the picture as Bing AI, which is now Copilot. So all of these tech giants have, started something that became so popular that everybody, whether you want to use it to create content, whether you want to use it to create for chatbot, for data analytics, visualize, whatever you want to use it for, even to create videos, you can actually use artificial intelligence to do that. So it became a very major hit, right? And the next on our line, when it comes to tech trend, the next on our line is augmented reality and virtual reality, right? Augmented reality and virtual reality. Now, this is one of my favorite. This is actually my favorite, tech trend, because this has a, a, a very distinct value, in the sense that the way iPhone, the way Apple introduced, innovated the mobile era, this is how this particular technology is going to innovate, you know, the spatial computing era. So, what is augmented reality? Now, augmented reality is a technology that adds digital images or information to your view of the real world, creating mixed reality, right? And virtual reality is a technology that creates a full immersive and simulated environment that replaces your view of the real world, right? And the way we've actually rated the popularity of augmented reality and virtual reality, we've given it 85%, because after artificial intelligence, that is what is next. And you can use augmented VR and AR with gaming, entertainment, education, healthcare, tourism, and lots more. So the next on the slide is no code development, right? No code tech trend. Now, the no code development tech trend is the next after augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. Now, this is actually a very convenient way of using no code technology to actually build sophisticated platforms, either website or mobile application, without writing a single line of code, right? And it became very popular when, you know platforms like Webflow, platforms like Flutterflow, like WordPress, came on board to make development easier for techies, right? So that you can build powerful solutions, you can build powerful systems without you messing around with code, without you even writing a single line of code, right? So the next on our line on the slide is blockchain development. Blockchain. Now, blockchain is one of the tech trends that has taken the world by storm. And because of this particular technology, right, assets like Bitcoin, like Binance, like Ethereum has become mainstream, right? Because all of them are using this powerful technology blockchain. Even banks too are actually adopting to this blockchain technology, right? Now, blockchain is a technology that creates a distributed and decentralized database or ledger that records transactions on a particular secure network, right? And this particular technology is what we rated it was 70% because I think last 3 years it was what was mainstream. It was so trending that everybody wanted to buy Bitcoin, everybody wanted to jump into crypto, everybody wanted to get their hands on all these cryptocurrency and digital assets, right? And with blockchain, right, things like cryptocurrency, digital assets, NFTs, supply chains, voting and governance are done, using this particular technology. And finally, we have the web development or web trends. Now, web trends work by using the latest and the most popular technology and frameworks, right, to create and improve websites and web applications, right? And the reason why this is low on our list is because out of the other four I mentioned, this is just like a subsection of those platforms in the sense that even though you have web skills, right, you can use your current web skills and jump on those existing platforms like artificial intelligence. If you're a web developer, you can leverage on artificial intelligence. You can actually leverage on blockchain. You can start developing smart contracts. You can leverage on augmented reality and virtual reality, right? So out of the popularity, we gave it 61%, and this is what you actually use to build online platforms, e-learning platforms, e-commerce, and the rest. So, how can you elevate your career with the latest tech trends? Now, you can elevate your career using the following 5 pointers. Number one, staying updated and curious about the latest developments and innovations in tech trends. Number two, getting skilled in the most in demand and high paying tech skills in 2024. Number three, building and showcasing your portfolio of tech projects. Number four, networking and collaborating with other tech professionals and experts who are using these latest tech trends, right? And number five, not failing to seize the opportunity and challenge to jump on tech trends offer. All right. So, what's your next actionable step? All right. Before we jump into the next actionable step, we're going to like take a break right now. And if you're watching, wherever you're watching from, whether you're watching on YouTube or Twitter, please kindly, you know, share this link with your friends and loved ones. Right. Follow us on all social media platforms at Softvenix. All right. So, what is your next actionable step? Now, if you are interested in getting the latest skills that we just mentioned, right? I just mentioned that is necessary to help you elevate your career, that is necessary to help you elevate your career, right? We have something interesting for you. So, we have a special package for you, right? So we have put together 5 powerful courses that can help you learn these skills, right? That will definitely make 2024 and beyond great for you. And these 5 courses are artificial intelligence prompt, AI prompt engineering, right? AR VR design, no code development, right? Blockchain, and also web development. So these are the 5 courses that we've put together that can help you, achieve your tech dreams in 2024 and beyond. So, and what you're going to get in all these no green elevator bundle is number one, you are getting a lifetime access and updates on these 5 courses I just listed out, right? Two expert mentors and tutors who will provide feedback and support for you, right? Then number three, certification of completion and also a portfolio of your tech projects. And number four, career guidance and opportunities from us. Now we are also, in addition to all of these 5 powerful courses, we are giving you an extra bonus course which is called the Borderless Entrepreneurship, right? The Borderless Entrepreneurship, where you're going to learn how you can build a business that can succeed anywhere, right? So we are giving you these 5 powerful courses, right? AI prompt engineering, AR VR design, no code development, blockchain enterprise, and lastly, web development with this borderless entrepreneurship course, right? That can help you build your business anywhere, right? And help you succeed anywhere. So we're giving you all of these together, right? For just only 45,000 naira, right? For only 45,000 naira, you are getting those 5 powerful courses plus the extra bonus course, which is the balance. But here's the sweetest part. Now, here's the sweetest part. In the celebration of our first year anniversary, we are giving you a special package, all of these things, the no green elevator bundle and also the borderless entrepreneurship course. We are giving you all of these things together for just 20,000 naira only, right? For just 20,000 naira only, you are getting the no green elevator bundle and also the borderless entrepreneurship. All right, please, if you can hear me, just comment on the comment section. If you can hear me, just put a comment on the comment section. If you can hear me, please, before we continue, just comment on the comment section. Can you hear me now? So let's continue. So, in celebration of our first year anniversary, we are giving only the first 10 people who will take action now, from now to 20th of February, we get our super exclusive offer, like for just 20,000 naira if you use the promo code anniversary. Right, using the promo code anniversary, you will get a discounted amount. Instead of paying 45,000, you're just only going to pay just 20,000 naira using our promo code anniversary. All right. So now, mind you, this special package we just gave you, we just put out there now, is not for everybody. Now, if you are the type and you know that you are the type that is lazy and you like mediocrity, this package we just give to you is not for you. Right? We just give out is not for you. If you're the type that is looking for fast money, right? This is not for you. And if you're the type that you don't want to change, you are always, comfortable being at the same space. You don't like change, you don't like innovation. This offer is not for you. Now, this is for you if you Now, this is for you if you want 2024 and beyond to grieve for you. This is for people who want to excel by getting skills that will work for them and take them places, right? And if you're interested, then please and please kindly take advantage of this opportunity right now for just only 20,000 naira using our promo code anniversary. You get the super package, right? The elevator, the no grey elevator bundle, and also the borderless entrepreneurship course for just 20,000 naira only. All right. So if you have any questions, please put it on the comment section, and I will take it from here. I will answer any questions you have. All right. We're just going to only allocate just 3 minutes for questions. 3 minutes only for questions, right? If you have any questions at all, please put it on your comment section. If you're watching from YouTube, put it on your comment section. And if you're watching from Twitter, please put it on your comment section. All right. Okay. I'm not seeing any questions. If you have any questions, please put it on the comment section. All destinations. Okay. Okay. Let's go. All right. So I can't see any questions. Just hold on. Let me see whether there's any question. Okay. Okay, Mohammed Abdullahi, please, if you have a question, please kindly just comment, ask your question in the chat section. Ask your comment in the chat section, please, if you have any questions. All right. All right. In the absence of non, so at this point, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining this powerful session. Right. Thank you so much for at least allocating some of your time to join and partake in this powerful and explosive session, the No Grey Elevator Massacre. And please remember, if you have any questions, I'm going to open the group chat, right? I'm going to open the group chat for people, for you guys to ask questions. And if you have any questions, you can also ask wherever you're watching from. Just put a comment. If you're watching from Twitter, if you're watching from YouTube, just comment and we'll get back to you. All right. So I think that was the end of today's session. Thanks for joining. Thank you.